In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multiple participants can share simultaneously in Zoom. This is a useful setting if you want more than one person to share their screen at the same time during a meeting. It can be especially helpful for collaboration, training sessions, comparisons, or any situation where several participants need to present content side by side. I'll walk you through exactly where to find this option in your Zoom settings and how to turn it on. To begin, sign into your Zoom account in a web browser. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, click on My Account. This will take you into the main area where your profile and account settings are managed. After that, look for the Settings option and click it. This is where Zoom keeps the controls for meetings, recordings, security, and other account level preferences. If you're not seeing the setting right away, don't worry, because it's nested inside the Meeting Configuration area. Next, click on Meeting. This section contains a wide range of options that affect how your Zoom meetings behave. Since screen sharing is considered a meeting feature, this is the right place to continue. From there, go to the In-Meeting Basics section. Zoom organizes many meeting options into categories, and this one includes several of the standard sharing and participant interaction settings. You may need to scroll a little to get to it, depending on your screen size. Once you're in the right section, find Screen Sharing. This setting controls who can share and how sharing works during a meeting. It's important to make sure you're adjusting the correct option here, since Zoom includes multiple screen sharing related settings. Now select the option labeled Multiple Participants Can Share Simultaneously, with the note that dual monitors are recommended. Choosing this allows more than one participant to share at the same time, which can make meetings more dynamic and interactive. Just keep in mind that this can also make the screen busier, so it works best when participants know what they're presenting. Finally, click Save to apply the change. Saving confirms the update and makes sure the setting is active for your Zoom meetings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled simultaneous screen sharing for multiple participants in Zoom. If you plan to use this feature regularly, it's a good idea to test it in a quick meeting first so you can see how the shared screens appear for everyone. That way, you can make sure the layout works well before using it in an important session.